year 11 methods, we look at question 5 from exercise 4E. So we've got a rule, they've given us a rule, and we want to find the equation of this graph, which is a root graph, which passes through the point 2, 8. Okay, so all you need to do is sub it in, because when y equals 8, x equals 2, 2. Okay. So I want to get I want to isolate the a. So all I need to do is divide both sides by root 2. Now I assume you probably got this answer, but the book has something different. What they've done is they've rationalized the denominator. Okay, so remember, you never want surds at the bottom. So to get rid of the surd, you just multiply it by root 2 and root 2. So 8 root 2 times root 2 is just 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4, so it's 4 root 2. So your answer is a equals 4 root 2. Okay. Now, sometimes if you're not certain about an answer that the book gets, and your answer is different, you might want to enter this on a calculator, put in decimal mode, check if that equals to that in decimal mode. So if they're equal, then it means you got the same correct answer. However, you may not have it in the form that the book wants you to have it in. Okay, so we'll do question 10 as well. Question 10 is find an equation with circle. Okay, so we know it's a circle. It has a center of 2, -3, and it touches the x-axis. So I can sub 2, -3 into my equation of a circle, because I know that's x minus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals r squared. Now I've got all values except for my r, because I don't know what my r squared is. We've got a little hint. It touches the x-axis. Okay, so touches the x-axis means it's kissing it. Okay, so it's touching it. It's not so 2, -3 somewhere over here. We've got a circle, and it touches the x-axis, meaning it just touches it. So knowing my circles, okay, I might redraw that. It's not very good. Knowing my circles, I know that my axis of symmetry of a circle is right in the middle. So if it touches the x-axis at that point, it also means it's in line with the center. Okay, so I know that 2, 0 must be a point, because that must be the center. It has to be in line with the center. Okay, so there's two ways you can do it. You can sub in 2, 0, or you can know that if I'm at the center and it touches the x-axis, it means the radius here must be 3, because from here to here you've gone down -3. Okay, so you could have went x minus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals, my radius is 3, so my r squared must be 9, so that must be 9. Okay, another way you can do it is you can use this equation, sub in 2, 0. So sub in 2, 0, let's see what happens. So when x is 2, y 0. Okay, so when x is 2, y is 0. Okay, 2 minus 2 is 0, so that goes away. 3 squared is 9, r squared equals 9. Okay, so again, we've got our equation of circle using two methods. Okay, so but the key is you need to understand that because it's touching the x-axis, it must be the x-coordinate of the intercept must be 2. Okay, and the y-coordinate of 0 because the x-intercept. So hopefully it helps.